Hey everyone! Welcome back to Ride and Thrill. Today, we're super excited to bring you an exclusive first look at the TVS King Deluxe 2025 model. This isn't just another auto rickshaw, it's packed with features and upgrades that make it stand out in the world of three-wheelers. Whether you're a driver, passenger, or simply an auto enthusiast, this model has something special for everyone. So, let's dive in and see what TVS has brought to the table this year. First off, let's talk about the design. TVS has given the 2025 Deluxe model a fresh, modern look. The body is sleek and durable, built to withstand tough roads while keeping that stylish edge. The new front grille, sharper headlight design, and chrome accents really make it pop, giving it an upscale feel compared to the traditional auto rickshaw. And it's not just about looks, and the design is also practical, with improved aerodynamics that make the ride smoother and a bit more efficient on fuel. Moving on to what's under the hood, or, in this case, under the seat. The TVS King Deluxe 2025 comes with an upgraded engine that provides more power while still being fuel efficient. This model has been tuned to deliver a quieter, smoother drive, which is great news for drivers spending long hours on the road. And for passengers, it means a more comfortable, vibration-free ride. Plus, the engine meets the latest emission standards, so it's better for the environment and helps reduce running costs with improved mileage. Now, let's get inside. The TVS King Deluxe 2025 is all about driver and passenger comfort. The seating has been redesigned with extra padding, making it more comfortable for both short trips and long hauls. And if you're driving, you'll notice a big upgrade with the dashboard. It's more organized, with a digital display for fuel and mileage, giving it a high-tech feel. You'll also find a USB charging port, so you can keep your devices powered up while on the go. And a spacious cabin means passengers have plenty of legroom, which makes every ride more enjoyable. Safety is another area where TVS has stepped up its game. The new model includes stronger brakes with a better grip and enhanced suspension that absorbs shocks on bumpy roads, so you'll have better control over the vehicle. And for those rainy or foggy days, the Deluxe comes equipped with improved LED headlights and better visibility features to keep everyone safe on the road. Finally, let's talk about maintenance and after-sales service. TVS has designed the Deluxe 2025 model to be low maintenance, with parts that are easy to access and replace. They're also offering a solid warranty and service options, making it easier and more affordable to keep the auto rickshaw in top shape. So, is the TVS King Deluxe 2025 worth it? Absolutely. With its stylish design, upgraded engine, added comfort, and advanced safety features, this model is built for the future of urban commuting. Whether you're a driver looking for a reliable vehicle or a passenger who values a comfortable ride, the TVS King Deluxe 2025 is a fantastic choice. That's all for today's review on Ride and Thrill. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more updates on the latest rides, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new TVS King Deluxe 2025 and if you're excited to see it on the road. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep riding and keep thrilling.